Oh, we're gonna see some kauri forest. Oh, kauri trees, I mean.
Oh, warning, bait and traps set for pest animal control. Poison laid. Do not touch bait or keep animals from this area. Baits are deadly to dogs. Children to be
Supervised?
supervised. Keep pets under control.
Let's go.
Track set. There is traps on.
No, so we have to stay on tracks. That's a cabbage tree. Where? Oh yes, it's a cabbage tree. So are we turning left or right?
Right.
Okay, let's go to the right.
They are dying from cold dieback.
Yeah.
Say they are dying from dieback disease.
So, it spreads by soil movement. Act now to help clean your gear, remove soil before and after forest visit. Clean your shoes, tires, and equipment. Okay, let's do that. Do you know how to do it? You get the brush. Yep. Good. And then spray. Yep. Brush it properly, make sure that the soil is out, okay? Good, that's it. Okay. Okay, spray time. So we're protecting our kauri trees. They are native New Zealand trees. There they are. They look like this tree. So we're gonna spot them later, okay? I can hear a tui. Look at all these palm trees. They are what? Nikau. Oh, this is a Nikau palm. They flower in November to April. Wow. They are native palm trees here in New Zealand. I've read that somewhere. So let's show them. Beautiful.
Wow, look
It's-
at that.
It's very beautiful in here.
Why? Tuatara.
Totara.
A tuatara is like a lizard also.
Yeah, tuatara. That's tua. This is totara, and it
Flowers October
to
to November.
That's gonna be next month.
A tall, slow-growing forest tree, reaching a great age. Small leaves. Their
Small leaves are linear and flat with sharp tips.
okay.
Where?
Flew away.
Oh,
No,
flew away. Okay,
let
come
go.
on, let's go.
Why didn't you cut?
I saw it too. I don't know. It was hiding from the video. The parrot. It didn't want to show.
That yellow big one you said?
Yeah, it's not a parrot, but it's what do you call that bird?
I don't
That's
know.
the one that makes the sound too. Wait, it's looking at you. Oh! Oh,
Oh, that's martinis.
oh, martinis. Daddy said they're martinis.
That's what we call them in Philippines. I don't know.
We'll find out.
Let's go.
Let's
But
go.
they don't look like one. The martinis can talk.
Oh, yeah. Oh, why is that moving? Oh, it's the wind.
Let's go.
I want to see a lookout. Really lookout, seeing the beach from
What?
top.
Look at that. It's vibrating.
New Zealand's Christmas tree.
Oh, face here and sing that.
Fill my heart with a whole lot. New Zealand's Christmas tree.
Yes.
Takawa.
Pohutakawa is a New Zealand Christmas tree. Pohutakawa.
Where is it?
It's just the name of the... Oh, maybe they would... Oh, look at those birds. They're all flying.
Let's go. Up
There. There's a tui. Watch out, okay? You might fall. A celery pine. Ooh. Tanekaha.
Okay,
Commonly occurs with kauri. Oh.
let's go. Next one.
Wait, we'll show them the celery pine. Beautiful. It looks like a celery. Oh, there's another one.
Kai Kai. Kai Kai.
Kai Kai or Kiki?
Kai Kai.
Kai Kai? Oh.
Do you love me?
Kai Kai scrambles along the ground and up trees with the aid of its aerial roots. Oh, beautiful. Kai Kai.
I know how to make an owl sound. For a second I was listening to that bird. It was actually a DJ.
Yeah, DJ got to copy the sound of it. It's very similar. Oh, what's this? Let's see.
Oh! Whoa!
Oh, puriri moth.
Oh, and that.
Yeah, that's a moth. We can find moths here. And I can hear a fly.
Ew, flies.
So we can see moth. So watch out for them, okay?
Okay. But they're DJ's pets.
Are they DJ's friend?
Yeah. Do you know when he first met his pet moth?
When?
When we were in the... he was 5 only.
Oh, okay.
Well, I was actually 3 only. No, 5. Yeah, yeah. And then I caught it in a cup. And then DJ was like, "Hey, I have a pet now." Look at these vines, guys.
Look at these vines. Oh yes, look. They're growing, the vines. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, there's a tui
That's a big one.
under us.
Above us.
I landed. There. Don't move.
Where is it?
There, can you see its tail?
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh,
I hear an owl.
yeah, that's an owl. I was thinking, what was that sound? Can we find the owl?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Owls come out at night. I'm so excited.
Yeah, that one
They're
does.
sleeping. I'm so excited. I love birds.
No, it's making sound, so it's not. There's a lot of birds in here.
I like that. Someone's singing. Birds
Yeah.
singing. Lots of birds have different sounds and it's sweet.
They do. Oh, there's the tui.
Where?
I can see it.
I don't. Where's the tree? Where's it? Oh yeah, I see.
There. Oh, it moved. There they are. It's hiding there. Did you see it?
Yeah,
There,
I see it.
there, it's
It's
moving.
camouflaged.
Yeah. There. Can you see it? It's camouflage.
Stop pitching.
Where is it going? Doesn't want to fly?
It's camouflaged.
There. There it is. Ooh, it flew away.
There's 2 of them.
There's 2 of them? I can hear the owls, but I wonder where they are.
No, there's 2. There's 2
There's
of them.
two.
That's why I can hear.
Oh, yes. Maybe they're brothers and sisters?
DJ, does it echo?
Look at this big kauri tree.
Where do you want to go? Upstairs?
Look, the old, the old hollow kauri. And how old is it? Can you spot how old?
800 years old.
800 years old. Oh my.
Should we
That's
go
really
upstairs?
a long. I'll show the big kauri tree first, which is 800 years old.
Aw.
That's really old. And it's hollow inside. Look.
What's
Shall we take a
hollow?
photo? Hollow, that means, look, there's nothing inside. It's hollow.
Yeah, I saw.
It's a black one.
I saw.
There it is.
I saw another one.
Where?
Oh, I see one.
Where? There's the black
Behind
one.
that tree.
Oh, there's another one.
That's the one what I was looking at.
Oh,
that's
there
a
it is.
fantail.
Yeah, it looks like a fantail.
No, it is a fantail.
It is. I can hear a tui really.
Who farted?
What did you find?
Kohe, kohe.
Kohe kohe.
Kohe, kohe.
Kohe kohe. It's New Zealand mahogany. Oh, a lowland and coastal forestry. So that's the tree.
Let's go.
Did you? Oh, it's a sign.
It's a kawa. Oh, it's
Pohutakawa.
Pohutakawa.
It's a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
See, flowers December to January. It's summertime here. And it's New Zealand's Christmas tree because, why is it called New Zealand Christmas tree, DJ?
Because it goes in Christmas.
And what else?
Because it has red flowers.
Yes. Looks like a Christmas tree.
Oh, and Christmas.
And they're so
celebrates with
beautiful.
Red and green.
Yes.
So the flowers are the red and the tree is green.
Well
red
done.
and green for Christmas.
Good job.
And that's the time when Jesus was born.
Well done. Very good. No, it's okay. We'll go that way because we're going back. Okay, so look, we're back at the hallowed. Yeah, we did. Well done. We're back at the big hallow kauri tree, the old hallow kauri tree. And I can still hear a lot of
It's the
birds.
same with the milk truck, yeah? The
Yeah.
one telling you.
It's 100.
800
It's
years
one
Tracks,
old.
this you can always go down.
Okay.
We've completed our walk. Thanks for watching. Bye.